Hi guys, welcome to our weekly check-in. 每周打卡. Here's the question for you. 你属什么? 你属什么? What's your Zodiac Animal? 属 is used to indicate the Zodiac Animal of one's birth year. 什么 is the question word, what? There are 12 Zodiac Animals. Let's read them out. 属牛虎兔龙蛇马羊猴鸡狗猪To answer the question, we use this sentence structure. 我属 Complete the sentence with the zodiac animal of your birth year. For example, if you were born in the year of the dragon. In Chinese, it's 我属龙 How about you? 你属什么? Answer it in full sentence in Mandarin. Can't wait to hear your answer.